Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sutton, and on behalf of all of us at North Oaks Health, I'm honored to wish our nation a very happy 250th birthday. Today, we celebrate more than just a milestone. We celebrate the enduring spirit of America. For 250 years, this country has been built on resilience, innovation, and a deep commitment to caring for one another. Here at North Oaks, we see those values come to life every day in the compassion of our caregivers, the strength of our patients, and the trust in the communities we serve. We are proud to be a part of this great nation's story by delivering care that makes a difference where it matters most, right here at home. As we reflect on the past and look forward to the future, we're reminded that our mission of improving lives every time, every touch is deeply rooted in those same principles that have guided our country for generations. From our North Oaks family to yours, thank you for allowing us to care for you. And today we celebrate together, honoring the past, embracing the present, and looking ahead with hope. Happy 250th, America!